I'm just wishing that the kids, the young people, would just think wisely and stop the crime within the area. When I started with them, I was Felton, my assistant was Hay, and the people around here, they speak to them in any manner, whether they're old or young. Now I'm looking at my band members, and even kids that are not even in a band were associated with them. They call me and they call my assistants and myself, sir. They speak properly when they speak to other people around here, and you can know that they are in something, they are in an organization. It's not like they were running around the street and shouting at each other. Now they are more disciplined than before. Every time I come out here, like every Monday I come, and they give me a lot of talking, I'm not gonna lie. They give me a lot of talking, I said, I'm not coming back Thursday. But by Tuesday night, I am ready to see them again. Because they put an energy in me that I normally doesn't have. They make me feel like I am needed. And sometimes I see them on the street and they'd say, sir, are we having practice tomorrow? Even if they don't want to practice today, tomorrow they're ready to go again. And I was a young person one time, so I was a kid one time. So I know the trouble that kids will give. So that I can bypass it. But when I see the interest that they have in it, I feel good about that. And I know that that's one child that I have taken out of the hands of the gang and put in the hands of a good organization.
He was our first drum major. He was our bandmaster first. Then I be the drum major to the band. And then we come back and start that drum corps and artists come back and come help him. And I do come and we all start from that, going on. Because you see, it keeps them from stop idle and stop running around the road doing nothing. So it keeps them occupied and everything.
Even now, the old members that I had when I was the bandmaster and some of the members that was with me, we still form a fraternity. We have a WhatsApp page that we keep in touch with each other, give news about each other, and every year, in the summer, we have a reunion. They'd come down from states, from England, from Canada, and those who are here, they come and join us here, and we have a reunion with them. My greatest wish right now is for them to put down the guns. And I'm not telling everybody to join a band. Right now in Denham Town we have 2 marching bands. Between Hannah Town and Denham Town, we have the Tivoli Garden Drum Corps and the St. Anne's Drum Corps. And if any parents have their kids that they'd like to get them into discipline and out of the hands of crime, that would be a good place for them to start. However, those that, the parents that doesn't put their kids in organizations like those, I'm just wishing that the kids, the young people, would just think wisely and stop the crime within the area. That's my main wish.